So these are the warning lights that I get. Done a bunch of research and figured out that it's most likely a wheel speed sensor, as well as did a code check with my Carly app, and it says it's the left front wheel speed sensor. A bunch of different codes for that. So we're going to figure out what's going on and see what's going on with that speed sensor. You guys get the front wheel off, you got to find where the speed sensor is. It's right there. So I'm going to take that off, see what's going on. That wire runs up, comes up to this control box where it connects to the rest of the wiring harness. So I got the sensor out. Pretty straightforward job. Just got a couple of clips up there, another one up there, and it runs into the box. You unplug it. Pretty easy. So as I was looking at it, saw this part right here, pretty well chewed up. That might be the cause of it. Everything else looks good on the sensor. So I'm gonna put it back in. I have a new one coming. Maybe I can get it to work until that other one comes. So we'll see. Okay, so at some point, one of these little braces, supports, whatever you might want to call it, got crushed by something, which crushed the wires inside, and water got inside, and it was all corroded. So what I did was cut the wire up, soldered on 2 new wires, connected it all together, put some heat shrink, wrapped in electrical tape for a little extra protection. Now I'm gonna hook it all back up, turn the car on, and see if it works. Looks like we're good. All the faults disappeared and everything's good to go.